Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my first almost summer haul of the season. I cannot believe it's almost summer now. It's actually crazy. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and even though our summer may be a little bit different this year, I just think that it doesn't stop us from getting excited for trying new styles, for wearing warm weather clothes, and honestly, I'm a little bit tired of wearing my sweatpants all the time. So these selections that I have, I am so excited to be showing you guys, and it's getting me personally excited to still experiment with my style and dress cute for the warmer weather. With that being said, today's video is brought to you by my friends at Princess Polly. They teamed up with me to create this video today. So thank you so much, Princess Polly, for sponsoring this video and letting me pick some really cool little dresses and a lot of fun things to show you guys. I also have a coupon code which will give you guys 20% off at checkout. It's just RACHSPEED, and that starts literally the minute I post this video. For US customers, there's also free US shipping for purchases over $50. As a Canadian, I can speak to the super fast shipping. My stuff, I blinked and it came. It was crazy. But I don't want to hold you guys too long. I just want to get into the haul, so let's just get to it. Let's go! Let's start with the accessories. First accessory I have here is this yellow hat, and you guys are going to see it a lot in this video because I just was really feeling it. It's really, really cute. First thing, fits my really large head, which is a plus for me because I find I've ordered bucket hats before and they don't all fit my head. Also, I love the terry cloth. I think terry cloth is going to be a really big trend for this summer. I've just been seeing a lot of items in terry cloth, and that just brings me back to my childhood. It's super cute. So Princess Polly also carries one of my favorite sunglasses brands ever, which is Key Australia. I have this pair here, and I believe this style is called Helios. This is a polarized pair, and they're really, really cute on. I also tried them on Dylan, and they look awesome on him as well, so we will be sharing these. Okay, and then the last kind of accessory, well, not clothing item, is a pair of shoes. I have a few Princess Polly shoes and they're all super, super cute. But today I decided to experiment with a heel. I don't have a heel from Princess Polly, and I was really, really happy to try these on and have them fit and be perfect and super comfortable. Okay, so these are the shoes, guys. It is this chocolate faux croc patent, and it's just so pretty. They have a little ankle strap, so you're super secure. And the one thing I love about these is the chunky heel, because I feel like that just makes a heel just look a little bit more casual. I feel like these would look so great with a pair of high-waisted jeans and a little white tank. That is just such a vibe, and plus they would really go with what I'm wearing right now. They literally go with everything. I love brown tones because you can wear them with a bunch of different neutrals, but you can also wear it with a pop of color. I got these in a size 7 and they fit perfect, and I'm normally a size 6.5, so if you're in between sizes, definitely size up. But I thought these were funky and just a good ode to the 70s as well. They almost look vintage. First dress, let's talk about it. It's the one I am wearing, and I think it's also gonna be on my Instagram, which I'm really pumped about. But the thing about this dress, guys, it just cinches you at the waist. It's like it has shapewear built in or something, because it is just so flattering. It is a midi dress. It's floral, it's beautiful, and the reason why I got it is because I saw it on Claudia Salewski's Instagram, and I was so delighted to see that it was from Princess Polly, so I can get one myself. It's just beautiful, and this is just totally the vibe I'm going for this summer. Just easy and simple, and just, I don't want to try too hard, you know? It's so hot out. You just want to put on one thing and be done. Moving on, I also picked up this midi dress in this mustard yellow. Look at this bustier detail. It's so gorgeous. I got actually this dress in US too, as well as everything going forward with the exception of one item. But this, guys, it's so pretty. This one's more like a linen-y type of fabric. I love this color in the summer because I just feel like it just makes my skin look a lot more golden, and it's just beautiful. This has a really high slit, just so you guys know. I think that just makes the dress look a little bit more youthful and fun versus having it just one single column. But yeah, this is so pretty on. I love this. Let me know if you guys are trying yellow for the summer, because I am all about it. And then I have a third and final midi dress to show you guys. This is it. It's more similar to stuff I've picked out in the past. Look at this fabric, guys. I feel like I'm one of those people that are just a lot more feminine in the summertime, and then a little less almost in the winter. I love girly prints for the summer. It's just such a pretty way to start the season. And this little satin midi is so cute. Little tie straps, really flattering neckline. I wish this came, if this came in a top, I'd be all over it as well. For those of you wondering also, I am 5'4.5"-ish. Some would say 5'5". So that's a good reference for midi dresses. I'm not that tall, guys, and I still love them. I think they're really cute, so try them out if you haven't tried them before. I think they're really fun. Okay, so then the next item I have here is a skirt, and this is one of those things that I definitely would have sized up in because the US 2 is slightly a little bit mini for me because the 2 in Lioness is equivalent to an extra small because their 2, I guess, is more like a 0. But this is the little tennis pleated skirt. These are really trendy right now, and I've seen them all over Pinterest. I just love the way they look. I think they're so fun, and the way I styled it here today is just with a really large graphic tee that I actually got from Princess Polly in the winter time, and that's exactly how I would wear it. With a pair of sneakers, layered jewelry, you're good to go. Yeah, I would personally size up in these just because they are mini skirts and they are quite short. I'm not that tall, like I said, and this was still really tiny on me, so yeah, just good to know. Oh, and not see-through, because I'm always concerned about that when it comes to white skirts. We have another dress here. This is a little floral dress. This is a mini dress. Guys, this color, it's just so nice. Just throw it on a pair of like little white sneakers and some jewelry. You're so good to go. I love dresses like this just because, again, they're so easy. They're so cute, and this one fits like a glove. It's super flattering. It has that A-line silhouette, and the straps are adjustable, which is good to know. A lot of people ask me, what kind of bra do you wear with these? And to be honest, I don't wear a bra when I wear dresses like this, and the good thing is they are double padded, so you aren't really gonna nip through as much. But yeah, this is so pretty. Okay, I have one pair of pantaloons here. This is a pair from Lioness, and I actually was smart and I sized up. I got a US 4, and that's equivalent to a Lioness size small, I suppose. This is a beautiful jacquard print, so it has all this beautiful floral detail on these satin pants. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, so I just felt like it'd be a fun little piece to try because they're definitely a statement. I would just wear these with a little white tank top, and you can either wear them with like that beautiful chocolate brown shoe I showed you guys before. Let's finish off with the bikinis. Guys, first of all, these tones together, so pretty. The first bikini I have here is this bubblegum pink, and this is the type of bathing suit I would definitely reserve for tanning just because there's no padding in the top, which is actually something I prefer. I don't love when there's padding in a top. I just find it really fussy. Moving on, this is the showstopper. I already posted this on my Instagram because I got so excited. I'm really liking like that vintage silhouette and that vintage print for swimwear this year. And guys, look at this. So cute. Okay, so the great thing about these bottoms is that they fit like some of my favorite bikinis that I already have in my collection. I love a good high cut bikini with just that like cinching power in the waist. I just really love it. Kind of shows off all your curves. And then it comes with this little underwire top, which again has 0 padding in it, which is something I personally prefer. I know not everyone loves that, but it's good to know. And guys, look at the little detail on this. It's so pretty, and like, think about this at the pool or whatever. It's just so gorgeous. I mean, you saw me, I was wearing this in my bedroom and I like didn't care. Has a little clasp closure in the back, and I wear a size 34B, 32C bra, depending on the fit. So this was perfect. Got this in a size US 2, but I would say that because this like lays really flat, and it's of a stretchy material, this can fit a lot of different bust sizes. Okay guys, that is the end of my latest haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know which was your favorite piece and what you're most excited to wear this summer. I definitely want to try out some new things. If you guys want to see how I style any of these, head on over to my Instagram because I'm trying to post a lot of outfits there and a lot of outfit inspo for you guys. So with that being said, I am going to go, but I'll talk to you guys soon, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye everyone.